gentlemen, this is James Roberts here, and today we're back for another video. Now, remember the previous video we done with the John user, which really blocked the control panel? Well, today we're going to be unblocking our control panel, and I'm going to show you another way how you can restrict and hide some pages in the control panel, so no one can mess up. Or if you want to just do this as fun, as a hobby, I'm going to show you how to limit the control panel so you know what it's going to look like in the future if you want to ever do it. Before we start this video, could you please hit that thumbs up and give me a subscribe? That'd be really helpful. Also, drop a comment below in the comment section box and hit that notification bell to stay tuned. I'd really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it, everyone. Sorry about that, I just a bit tired. So let's begin. So we'll go back to the John section as we did before. I got some background music to make the video a little bit more interesting. Now, this error has been here since the Windows update, which happened yesterday. Just ignore it. Now, so where we come here, you want to go to your local user, which is John's policy, administrative templates. It'd be control panel. Now, remember when I said enable this to block access? I'm gonna go back. You want to set it to not configured, apply. Now, what you're basically doing is you're giving the user full control of the control panel, but we're going to go to settings, page visibility. Now, basically what this does here, it's a settings in the management in Windows, which basically hides pages. Let me show you an example. So basically, do you know what all these parts have got? Well, what this does here, it hides some of these depending what you want to hide. Now, I have left a link in the description for you to download, so all the page names are there for you to hide, and I'm going to show you how to hide some. So let's begin. Now, what you want to do here, you want to switch this to enabled. Now, for page setting visibility, I know you won't be able to see it because my screen's too small, but I've done an example code which is here. You basically want to show only. So this is how you do it. You type in a code that says show only with 2 lines. No, I meant 2 dots, like that. But obviously you won't be able to see it. Can I enlarge it? Still. Well, anyway, if you can't see it, basically just copy this code in I've done as an example. Okay, so then once it's on, you click apply, and okay, now basically what you've done is you've applied the hidden settings to the Windows settings control panel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to the other account and show you what I've basically done. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you there. Hello everyone, I am on the John's account now. What I just discovered, I found a bug with the Microsoft Control Management Console. Basically, when I said to set the forbid control panel to not configured, make sure you set it to disable, because when you set it to disable, it gives the user full access. Apparently, when you put it to non-configured, the Windows setting breaks. And sorry for the rain if you do hear it. Okay, so let me show you what you've basically done. You go to the settings, and this is what you get. Limited Windows settings panel, obviously, storage, about, your network features, obviously. This is only some of the stuff you can do, but pretty much this is a like locked down Windows. Updated security look, Windows 10 Pro, recovery, troubleshooting. You can basically do anything with these types of commands. If you want to restrict a child's account, a business, company, etc., you get the idea. Okay, I'm going to be switching over to my main account, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm back on my main account. Yeah, so basically, with the Microsoft Management Console for restricting users, it has so much potential. This is just another feature you could do if you want to gain forbidden access. Like if you want to disable forbidden access to control panel but want limited features, that's another thing you could do. Now, as I mentioned earlier, make sure you set the forbid access to control panel disabled, because if you apply the settings for the page visibility but keep the forbidden access on not configured, the control panel will bug and loop. I figured that out when I switched over the account. That's why I cut the recording. So just make sure this is on disabled. And yeah, I will leave a link down below in the description with all the commands for the show only. You can also check out more tutorials on YouTube. This is just a starter's guide if you want to learn as a hobby. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen. Please hit that subscribe button, be much appreciated. Also drop a comment in the comment section below. Hit that notification bell to stay tuned to my latest video. Also hit that like button if you wouldn't mind, it'd be much appreciated. This is James Roberts here, ladies and gentlemen. Signing off, everyone. Have a good day.